Hello everyone, this is Sanjeev from Jayotri Academy. Today I am going to discuss uses of salt. What are the uses of salt? Sodium chloride is used as a table salt and to preserve meat and vegetables. Sodium chloride is electrolyzed to obtain sodium and chlorine in the industry. Ammonium nitrate formula NH4NO3 and ammonium sulfate NH4 का whole twice SO4 are used as a plant fertilizers. Magnesium sulfate MgSO4 commonly called Epsom salt. We manufacture salt. Methods of preparing salt. When acid react with alkali, it forms salt and water. This process is called neutralization. Next, action of acid on insoluble base. Acid react with base is form salt and water. This method is used for the bases which are insoluble in water. We will learn this activity with the example. When a metal oxide, that is copper oxide, react with a acid H2SO4, it forms copper sulfate, a salt and water. Next reaction is when zinc oxide react with hydrochloric acid, it produces zinc chloride and water. Next method, third, action of acid on a carbonate. Acid react with carbonate, it forms salt, water and CO2. We will see with an example. When an acid H2SO4 react with a metal carbonate, sodium carbonate, it forms sodium sulfate, H2O and a gas evolve CO2. Next, when an acid HCl react with calcium carbonate, it forms a salt, calcium chloride, water and a gas CO2. Next method 4 for preparing salt, action of acid on a metal. When acid react with a metal, it forms salt, hydrogen. We will see with an example. Sulfuric acid react with zinc, it produces a salt zinc sulfate and evolve a gas, that is hydrogen. Next, HCl react with magnesium, it form a salt magnesium chloride and evolve hydrogen gas. There is a special note, only metals like magnesium, zinc and iron are suitable. Metals like sodium, potassium and calcium are explosive with acids, while metals like lead and copper are unreactive with acid because lead and copper are very less reactive metals. They can't react with acids because lead, copper are put in chemical reactivity series below the hydrogen. We have learned chemical reactivity series in chapter first, chemical reaction and equation. We have seen there lead, copper, aurum, platinum. These are very less reactive metals. They are found in free form in the nature, so they can't react with acids. Thank you everyone. Today is enough. We will meet next classes with a new topic. Thank you everyone.